A landslide is defined as the movement of a mass rock, debris, or earth down a slope. This phenomenon is caused by several factors. First, changes in water level, stream erosion, earthquakes, volcanic activity, and disturbance by human activities. Consequence of a landslide: loss of life and property, same as reason as flood. Environmental damage, self-explanatory economic impacts. They always lead to costly repairs. Social impacts. They can displace communities, leading to social disruption and psychological stress. Landslide can also disrupt access to healthcare and education, which has long-term consequences of its own. Solution for a landslide. First, limiting property damage risk. Remove loose or heavy materials from the top of any slope, avoiding pinning junk uphill, and build shed or other structure away from an edge. Second, controlling the water on your property. Fix any leaks in your pipes or drainage system. Leaks in your water system can gradually erode soil under your property. Install flexible fitting to prevent your pipes from breaking. Make sure your drainage system leads directly to the base of the incline. Avoid building sprinkler system on a slope. Third, strengthening the ground. Build a retaining wall at the base of a slope to protect your home. Plant trees on a hill to keep your soil protected. Dig a ditch to deter landslide away from your home. Even with other preventative measures, landslide can still happen.
Floods are caused in areas where there is excessive downpour and poor drainage system. Many different situations can cause a flood. Here are just a few: heavy rainfall, ocean wave coming on shore, such as a storm surge, dams or levees breaking. Consequence of floods: floods disrupt the normal functioning of the region affected. However, floods can result in mass destruction. Here is how floods impact life on Earth. Threat to life: many others get injured and are infected by various diseases. Power cuts: there is also a risk of catching current in place where the electricity supply is still intact. Economic loss: in case of severe floods, the affected regions take years to rebuild. And price rise: there is a shortage of supply and the demand is high and thus result in increased price of the commodity. Soil erosion: when the downpour is too heavy, the soil cannot absorb water and it's often result in soil erosion, which in turn has dreadful consequence. Damage of the flora: these storms are a cause of uprooting of trees. Besides, the crop are damaged and several other plants are eroded during floods. In solution, floods cannot prevented to a large extent. However, they can't be controlled effectively. By this is meant keeping the river from overflowing. There are a number of ways of accomplishing this before and during a flood. Increase the flood capacity of a river by cleaning the channel or the debris by dredging of channel. It is construction of dikes and levees and sandbagging during floods.
Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of a stream, river, lake, ocean, or any other stretch of water, depleting water equality and making it toxic for the environment and humans. Its uses being mostly artificial factors is what separates it from flood, which is a natural event during a storm. Water pollution causes: What are the source of water pollution? Unsurprisingly, human activity is primarily responsible for water pollution, even if natural phenomena such as landslide and floods can also contribute to degrade the water quality. Sewage in wastewater, agricultural waste, industrial waste, marine dumping, radioactive waste. Effect: environmental harm. The toxic chemicals can change the color of water and increase the amount of minerals, also called eutrophication. Disease. A lot of diseases result from drinking or being in contact with contaminated water, such as diarrhea, chlorella, typhoid, dysentery, or skin infection. Water pollution solution: pick up litter and throw it away in a garbage can. Blow or sweep fertilizer back onto the grass if it fits onto area. Do not put fertilizer on the grass right before it rains. Mulch or compost grass or yard waste, or leave it in your yard if you can't compost. Wash your car or outdoor equipment where it can flow to a gravel or grass area instead of a street. Don't pour motor oil down the storm drain. Take it to the nearest auto parts store. Never clean up a spill by using it into a storm drain.
Causes of deforestation. Agriculture. Look no further than your dinner plate, because between 2000 and 2018, agriculture was associated with around 90% of global deforestation. While this can mostly be attributed to meat production, particularly beef. Large-scale say and palm oil plantation follow closely behind as causes for deforestation. Timber logging. A staggering number of trees are cut every year to meet the incredible global demand for wood and wood products. Mining. Thanks to an ever-increasing demand for minerals, mining affects up to 1/3 of global forest ecosystems. Urbanization. As human population levels increase, forested areas get cleared to make way for the expansion of cities and settlements. Climate change. Climate change is leading cause of deforestation. Extreme weather events like wildfires, which caused 138 million hectares of forest cover lost between 2001 and 2023. Droughts and storm surges destroy millions of hectares of forest every year. This is the deforestation solutions. Plant more trees. Go paperless as much as possible. Support responsible companies. Buy certificate wood products. Buy and use responsibly. Avoid palm oil. Palm oil production contributes significantly to deforestation. Recycle and buy recycled products. Educate others. Raise awareness about deforestation in your social circle and community. Support sustainable agriculture. Advocate forest production policies. Support indigenous rights. Offset your carbon footprints. Reduce meat consumption. Use renewable energy. Volunteer or donate to environmental causes.